Hi everybody, today I am with somebody whom we admired in our childhood, Swamy, MasterManjunath. If my friends remember our school days, I'm so lucky, feeling lucky that I'm meeting somebody I used to admire as a friend, that connection over Doordarshan era. And my daughter, when I went to Mauritius, I told her that is the place for Stone Boy where he was living. Manjunath sir, thank you so much to give us time. And
you're welcome.
I always wanted you to come for Chitrakote Kannada Sangama, but you couldn't.
Hopefully next time. Thank you so much for communicating with me, coming all the way here to meet me. It's really nice to meet you too. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And any message for our Chitrakote Kannada Chhattisgarhi Sangam people in Chhattisgarh and Karnataka?
Kannadigas everywhere. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Thank you so much for talking Kannada over there and keeping our culture and spirit alive. Thank you so much.
ತುಂಬಾ thanks sir.
Thank you, sir.